It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku, and in today's video, you are going to learn how to add background music to your video in Capcut mobile editing app. So let's get. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you find this guide useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Capcut mobile editing app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to add a background music to a video in Capcut, the ultimate guide. So right now, my name is Rafi Yaku. Alright, so this video right here, I want to add a cool background music to this particular video. So the very first thing we want to do is to make sure we click on add music. Then we have to click on sounds. So I'm going to get the music from my phone gallery. So I'm going to click on here to access my file folder. Then I will click on here to get the audio from my device. Then these are audios on my device. So the one I would like to use for this particular video right here is this one right here, this audio. So what I need to do is to simply click on here to listen to the audio. Okay, having listened to the audio, next thing I need to do is to simply click on the plus sign right here to add it to the video in Capcut. Now the audio has been successfully added. Then I need to drag this to the beginning of the timeline. So I have to make sure I click and hold down. I will just simply drag it to the beginning of the video. So by the time I play the video, the music will be played in the background of the video. So let's see. It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel. But in this regard, this music here is quite loud than the voice in the video. So for us to adjust the volume of the audio, what we want to do is to simply click on the audio line in the timeline. Then after click on the audio, then we have to navigate to volume. Then right here, we have the volume to be maximum of 1000. So what I need to do is to drag it down. It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi. It's too low, so let me make it. It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku, and today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to hide your online status on Telegram, the step-by-step tutorial, and maintain your Telegram privacy. So bless me. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tricks about Telegram. So with that, I think this is cool. Okay, so once you are able to satisfy with the audio volume, what you need to do is to simply click on this check mark here to accept the transform. Then it's as simple as that. And right here, the audio is longer than video. What I need to do is to simply take the playhead to the last part of the video and select the audio in the timeline. The next thing I need to do is to simply click on split right here. Then I will select the last part. Then I will make sure I click on delete or trash bin icon right here. I'm going to click on that. It's as simple as that. So let's play it again. It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku, and today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to hide your online status on Telegram, the step-by-step tutorial, and maintain your Telegram privacy. So bless me. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tricks about Telegram. So with that being said, let's get started. It's as simple as that. So this is how to add cool music to the background of your video in Capcut. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Capcut mobile editing app. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.